Hi, Michelle Taylor, licensed professional clinical counselor. And today I'm going to give you a quick tip for not putting people on the defense. This is really great for parenting and really great for relationships. So, just two quick things. Avoid the why and use tell me. So, when you say why, it immediately puts somebody on the defense. Think about it. If you do a great presentation and you present it to your boss, and then the boss afterwards, even though it was a really great presentation, the boss starts off with, why did you use this instead of this? Immediately you go on alert and you're defensive, and you go and you probably feel a little anxiety and you try to defend yourself. Same with a parent coming to a kid. Kid comes home really late, they break curfew, and they smell like alcohol, whatever they did wrong, and the first thing that comes out of the parent's mouth is, why did you do this? Why didn't you come home? Well, immediately the kid is going to go on the defense, because why creates defense. A quick fix for this, because I don't want this to be a long video, a quick fix for this is just replace why with tell me. Because tell me is encouraging them to explain without making them feel defensive. It kind of puts the idea that you're curious about their decisions rather than putting them on the defensive that there's something wrong with their decisions. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of things that you could do as a parent that you go to your kid and you're like, yeah, of course you did the wrong thing, and you're judging them for it. But if you want to have the kid be growing up healthy and explaining their behaviors and understanding when their brains are still growing, understanding why they made the decision that they did, that really helps the kid grow and get to a place that you want them to be for a functioning human adult. So replace why with tell me. It could even be tell me why, but you're at least showing curiosity with the other. Thank you, and subscribe for more tips on therapy.